In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Snipping Tool from taking automatic screenshots. So what you're going to do on your search bar here, you're going to type in edit group. Type in edit group and you'll go and open up this edit group policy. Click on it and open it up. And then once you get to this group policy editor here, so what you're going to do on from your left side menu here, go to user configurations. Under user configurations, click on administrative templates, expand it. From the administrative templates here, select Windows components, expand it, okay? And from the Windows components here, okay, from the Windows components here, what you're going to do is you're going to go and look for tablet PC. Scroll down and you will see tablet PC. Just click on it and open it up. And from the tablet PC here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on the accessories option here. So double click and open it up and you'll get to this screen here. So in here, what we're going to do, you're going to go and click on this snipping tool here. So simply we're going to disable this snipping tool. So if you simply disable it, it will stop from running and taking any screenshots and stuff. Okay, so to do that, when you double click on it, just click on disable here, select the disable option. Okay, select the disable option, hit on apply and then okay, and then restart your computer, and that's it, all done.